All right, guys. Today we are going to be epic playing Plates of Fate. And no, we're gonna play Plates of Fate.
Alright.
And as you can see, first face cam video in epic radioactive thread.
Are you actually gonna use Facecam?
Yeah, I'm using face cam. You better join, the new round's about to start.
Oh really?
Yes.
I got it.
Dude, this guy has my old avatar, but like a different version of it. I used to be Commander from Tower Defense Simulator.
Hey guys, today we're playing with my cousin. Oh, just in time!
Yes.
Oh my god.
You see the gold bar, man? A coin rain will begin. Well, that's just epic. That's just epic.
Again. Okay, where are you? I don't think you can jump from a plate to plate, so let's not try that.
I think you can actually, but I wouldn't. Oh! Oh!
Hello, I can see you.
Goodbye. I'm leaving this earth. There's a truck. I don't gotta worry about trucks, man. Just saw some person get hit by a car. A bus just went right under me. I want to watch you get hit by a semi-truck.
Wait, I think I disconnected. Okay, never mind.
No, because I can see... Dude, you're about to be hit by a semi-truck. Boo!
Yeah, we'll just...
I'm gonna take a shift lock. Yes. Funny car. Oh my god, what just happened? A missile went right by me. Did you die? Wait, no, you didn't. Haha, you gotta survive. Oh my god. I just saw meteors hit random plates and get demolished. Nukes will fall. There's nukes now? Well, that's just great. That's just... Ow! I fell. I got scared because I saw the battleship. Oh, dude, he has the new Albert face. Come here. Dude, come here. He has the new Albert face. He has the new Albert face.
Wait, Albert face?
I want the epic face. I want the epic face. I want sus face. I want sus face.
Well, now everything is falling. I don't have part of that.
Oh my god, dude, look how insane it is.
What do you mean, insane?
Look at this. Oh, I just saw some guy get hit by a block. And then some guy just named fart.
I almost just spit all over my keyboard.
Two people were on somebody else's plate, and then that one guy died. And then they all started dying. How did that guy survive the meteor? Look at that. Gaming god. Oh. I see Mr. Goldman. Amogus. Dude, look, it's the Amogus. Dude, look up there. No, it's gone. Dude, the Amogus face was there. The Amogus. The last two people are not people on the leaderboard besides one of them. What the?
How are there 4 of them alive?
No, there's two. There's 2 of them. They have a time bomb.
What? My brain! No! You can't do this to my brain!
An orbital strike.
You better move, dude. You better move.
What happened? Oh no, dude! Look, there's an orbital strike. Oh, they can't get to the other plate now. They're. Oh my god. What are they supposed to do about the time bomb? Oh no! Oh no! $19 Fortnite card. Who wants it? $19 Fortnite card. Who wants it? And remember, share, share. And trolls, don't get blocked.
Also, I posted a copyrighted video, and YouTube said I might appear on my video, even though I'm not eligible for ads yet.
Wow.
So I find that a bit.
Hey, dude, that guy has 3 trees. That's no fair. He has 3 trees and a palm tree.
Captain_EE.
We'll do one more round and then I'll end the video.
How long is that going to take?
Oh my god.
How is he alive?
He's not anymore.
Get epic noob. I got chased twice.
Oh wow.
He's on double roaster. We'll get a cannon. He gets the most cannons.
Dude, look at him. He got 2 cannons.
So did he. Oh.
Oh no. Oh my god, it looks amazing. It totally does not look garbage.
Oh, that's epic. That's epic. That's epic. Big, yes.
Hey dude, it looks like a zoo. He's in a zoo.
Look at a sticky bomb launcher. Stick a bomb onto your
Oh my-
forehead. Microwave your pizza.
No No more Fortnite.
100%
No more cards.
No more $19 cards.
That guy just blew off his arm. I saw something go flying. Oh my god, it's a pin. That guy got forced into first person twice. They both died.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
He lost his legs 4 times.
That means he lost his life. Yeah.
I lost. Actually, I might end the video here, guys, because I don't want to risk it getting over 15 minutes. So goodbye.